Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to locate your Steam folder on your computer. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam application and log into your account. Once you're logged in and can see your main Steam interface, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the window. You'll see the word Steam displayed there. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Settings to proceed. This will open a new window where you can manage various Steam configurations and preferences. Once the settings window opens, look at the left panel where you'll find different categories listed vertically. Navigate through this panel and click on Storage. This section is specifically designed to help you manage where Steam stores your games and related files across different drives on your computer. It's particularly useful if you have games installed across multiple storage locations. Now, at the top of the storage section, you'll notice a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down to view all your Steam library folders. This menu displays every local drive where you've installed Steam games, giving you a complete overview of your storage setup. From the list that appears, select your preferred local drive. This is the drive where you want to locate the Steam folder, so choose the one that contains the games or files you're looking for. Once you click on your selected local drive, the interface will update to show all your saved games stored in that specific location. This gives you a clear view of exactly what content is housed on that particular drive, making it easy to manage your game library and storage space. Finally, in the right panel of the storage window, you'll see an icon with 3 dotted lines. This is your options menu for the selected drive. Click on these 3 dotted lines to reveal additional options. From the menu that appears, select Browse Folder. This action will immediately open your File Explorer and take you directly to the Steam folder location on your chosen drive. Now you can easily access all your Steam files, game directories, and related content stored in that folder. And that's it. You've successfully located your Steam folder and can now manage your files as needed. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.